Hey guys, behind me I have this customer's 2025 Toyota TRD Pro. I love this truck. Silver with the nice black accents. The customer wanted to keep a nice sleek profile, so today we're installing a set of AMP Research PowerSteps. These steps tuck up underneath the vehicle to provide a nice clean profile while also still giving full functionality of being able to access the vehicle. For the bed space, the customer wanted something that was nice and clean. So today we're going to be installing an AMP LOMAX bed cover. This is going to protect the cargo in the back while also being able to be easily removable so that he can remove it when the time arises that he does need full access to the bed. Let's get inside and get it done.
Hello everybody, my name is Griffin. I'm a technician here at Cape Fear Customs, and today we're going to go over this install. These are AMP Research PowerSteps.
Are you done with the wrapping? Okay.
Here I'm fitting the steps onto the hinges. Each hinge mounts to 3 bolts on the body. On the driver front, I'm lining up the step and measuring from the end to the hinge to ensure both sides match. This specific model required me to drill a hole through the cab to attach a reinforcement bracket to the rear hinge. After this, we reseal the hole to keep moisture and debris out of the cab while still maintaining the functionality we need. We disassembled most of the back seat in order to complete this step. Once I'm done with that, I put the back seat panels back in. Now we're moving on to wiring. Here I'm connecting my power and my ground. These side steps run off of constant 12-volt power. Per the instructions, we pull this from the fuse box, so it's tied in safely. And I'm plugging in the main module for the side steps now. This is kind of it's kind of the brain of the system. Here I'm drilling a hole in the cab again to run the wires that communicate with that module. They run directly into the body control module.
I just saw that.
They also bite into the OBD port. And all of this is what is used to signal the steps to go up and down with the door. I'm trying to make everything pretty, tuck it away for the customer. Now I'm putting it all back together. I'm cleaning up his floor. Now we're installing a LOMAX bed cover. First we put the rear seal on, make sure that's good. And then we put the side rails onto the bed, make sure they're making good contact on both sides. And then we put the top on, and we unfold it. Check for fitment. Check for good contact with the tailgate, and good contact on that front seal. Here about a month later, the customer revisited. The original module had a compatibility issue on this newer Tundra, so after working with AMP's warranty team, we hardwired the system and installed the updated parts they sent.
Now let's get our wire.
So here we are rerunning the wires to that module. Got to repin the connector, plug it in, and verify it's working correctly.
Oh yeah. That sound effect.
During this visit, we're also adding a Killswitch. It lets the steps stay down with the doors closed or be disabled so they don't come down at all. With about a 30-minute timer built in for safety, this gives the customer greater flexibility in how they use the steps. After we verified that the new module corrected the original issue, the customer is good to go. The original visit and his revisit are about a month apart, but you can still see just how well the tonneau cover is holding up. After it basks in the sun, the cover settles in against the rails and the seal tightens up, improving leak resistance. The thing I like most about these power side steps is just how discreet they are when they're tucked away under the vehicle. It provides a good factory look and keeps everything clean.